I'm going to load another program here. It's called Organ. And it's ready. So we'll run it. And there's the keys to the organ. Let's see here. Or we can just play a pre-programmed song. So all the keys work. Up here is the 2, 3, 5. And of course, like the instructions say, you can change the waveforms. F2, F. I want to change it to F6. Then it's or if you change it to F8, shift F8, then it's the gun sounds. But that's just for people that like to play shooting games. I think for an organ, oops, F1. Yeah. That's F2. Yeah, F2 is to select the waveform. F1, F, that changes the octave. Anyway, the keyboard, everything works. The sound interface device works. The serial interface works. Everything works, and it's in good condition.